Yo, hello guys, Switch here with another video with the cryptocurrency earning games. So basically all games I'm showing you are going to be airdrops this year, maybe even this month. I don't know exactly, but definitely this year. So the whole idea is to just install as many games as possible within the same ecosystem, which is the Tonk wallet, which is the Tonk the Ton currency. So basically you will have, let's say, 10 games and they will be still running within the same ecosystem. So it doesn't matter what kind of airdrop you will get, you will be able to transfer all your assets into the Ton wallet. So let's say you're gonna get like £5 or £10 from one game, 5 from another, and another 5 from another, and then when you're gonna add up all 10 games from your phone, then you will get some money to basically invest those money, because that's not going to be much money at the end of the day. It's not going to be much, but you can invest sort of those money within maybe those games, or maybe move somewhere else, because I don't really see the point to withdrawing like whatever $50, but I see the point to invest within, or spend some time to play those games. So currently I'm running Tsubasa Rivals, TOYGERS for obvious reason, and BOINKERS because they are sort of like with the same ecosystem. So I already done the video about the BOINKERS. I already done the video about the TOYGERS. I will be doing probably much more videos about this game in general, because I just really like the idea of TOYGERS, of getting physical collectible from earning the cryptocurrency and then trading that within eBay, Amazon, you name it, or just keep it for yourself for 20 years and maybe you sell for some super high value. So that's like super crazy good projects. All of these free apps are amazing to use just simply because you can just spend like 5 minutes, like literally 5 minutes, and you can just do everything besides the TOYGERS, because TOYGERS have the thing like you have to scroll that wheel, and then the energy will go back within, I don't know what's the time, but it's quite quick, so you probably don't want to spend time on the time on the phone scrolling this all the time. But the thing is, you might come back now and then if you have a spare time and just scroll a bit. But yeah, I've been talking about those games, so I'm just going to focus right now on the Tsubasa Rivals. So basically you have the window, as you can see. The good thing about those apps is you can run them on the desktop as well, so that's crazy good. All they're free, which I already joined. You won't be able to run on the desktop, so which that means I will either try to use the BlueStack tomorrow. If the BlueStack doesn't work, I'm just going to simply do as many screenshots as possible, and I will just introduce you to another free games, which they are crazy good, crazy nice to play. And one more time, you're not really spending much more time, well, unless you're gonna have 10 games, but my idea is to actually search through the Telegram and gather as much as possible games. We're talking about 10, 20, maybe even more. Within also, you have to understand, like, I genuinely, I need to like to play those games. I'm not gonna just add any game for the sake of mining, but you can do that. You're free. Feel free to do so. You can search by yourself on the Telegram. I'm just genuinely trying to pick up the games which I'm excited, which I'm happy to play, which I'm happy to promote. So Tsubasa Rivals, you just log in. If you want to just log in once per 24 hours, it's up to you. You have the daily reward, so just gonna click like daily reward, and that's gonna give you the daily reward. If you are logging daily, obviously, that's the idea. Then basically what you do, you just gathering the balls, the points of the balls, and then you just using those points. So you just clicking here as a team, and then you choosing like players, coach, manage, stadium, or specialist, and then basically you can buy whatever you like as long as you can afford to buy it. So let's say I'm just gonna go grab and coach, and this is like to level up is 63,000 balls. We can level up this. And right now I just have 12,000 balls, so it's like pretty much nothing. I can upgrade something here, and that's about it. This is about the game, about the Tsubasa Rivals. You're just using your points to buy the cards, and then the idea is obviously we're just waiting for the event. It's going to be obviously announced on the either I don't know, they're running the Discord, but it's going to be on X. I want to say Twitter. Yeah, it's gonna be on X. Oh, actually, I have. No, excuse me. Yeah, never mind. So yeah, it's going to be on the X, Twitter, whatever. I just thought I have a Twitter on my OBS overlay, but this is Telegram, so that's why I was like, wait, what? Like, it's blue, but yeah, but it's blue, but it's for from Telegram. I just confused myself. Anyway, so every of those games I'm showing you, every in the future or right now, they working into the way like you need to spend a little bit of time. You don't need to spend any money at all. That's also like my like general rule of thumb to like, okay, I really happy, I'm hooked to play the games. I really like the idea to get something from it, but not necessarily spending any money at all. So I will be like transparent with you, like every earning I will get here or whatever, I will just show you from on my wallet account, because I don't really, I don't care, because I don't have anything invested into it. So I can be like fully transparent for the people who are actually looking for like way to get some money, because that's the thing. Like I know everybody struggling with money, so it's usually the people who play in the games, they don't really have the money, they just like to entertain yourself. So maybe in the same time you can entertain yourself and get some profit from it. So we'll see about that. So right now I'm running the BOINKERS. By the way, keep that in mind. Right now you still have 6 hours and 30 minutes to be within the raffle. And the raffle is super easy to be in. You just simply playing the game and they announcing the raffle sometimes. And then when you have enough shit coins, that's what you're farming, the shit coins over there, you can basically be in the raffle. So I can't go farther than that, what I have, because I just don't have more shit. For the raffle ticket, I need to reach 5 billion or 10 billion shit or 50 billion shit or whatever amount is it. The thing is, like, I don't have it because I'm not spending money on it, but it's not really a big deal because I still have 102 tickets, raffle tickets. So yeah, so that's enough. I had 100 tickets last time and I didn't win anything, so fingers crossed, because actually you can, as you can see, well, half tongue, that's not gonna change anything in your life. And I guess I thought it's going to be 1, and I want to say like 1 is not gonna change anything as well, but 100, well, I'm not saying like gonna change something in your life, but definitely for me 100 would be a good amount to actually withdraw that. To withdraw that and just basically have for a bills or whatever, or maybe try to invest something into that universe like along those games, because I'm not gonna lie to you, if I would have money to buy a toy from the TOYGERS, I would, but I just simply don't have it. So maybe if I'm going to win, I'm maybe just gonna invest and just buy one toy, because that's the thing. If you're actually going to buy the physical toys on the TOYGERS, you will have better airdrops, better percentage of farming, better promotions, maybe some referrals, and at the end of the day, this is like no-brainer, guys. Like, those two are just gonna put down, but this is like no-brainer. If you actually have some money to invest aside, like $100, just buy the fucking toy, because it's just 777 toys, and you're gonna keep this as an investment. Just don't open it, even put that box into some fucking plexi box, like glass box, and just leave it on the fucking desk, and just leave it, and 30 years from now that's gonna be fucking worth it £20,000 or whatever. That's gonna be fucking massive, and that's going to be with everything what you generally going to start right now. If you're going to buy the new cards from the V Friends or whatever, Magic the Gathering, if you don't know what I'm talking about, but Magic or other kind of cards, if you're just genuinely gonna buy them, you're not gonna open them, 30 years from now they will increase value like crazy. And especially if there's going to be some like fucking crazy card which nobody have yet, and they will probably pay like 10 times more for that box, just because they might get that card in that box. So yeah, 10 minutes. I think that's enough what I want to say. Stay tuned for the new videos, and obviously for me, but not for you. I think will turn this channel into, yes, I will still carry on with AI learning basics. Yes, I will still carry on with the wealthy affiliate to show you every lessons, but at some point I'm going to finish this, right? Like it's going to be a month or two, and then I'm going to finish that AI basics and that wealthy affiliate. So I'm just gonna put them on the playlist, like it's gonna be 2 playlists. But I definitely wanna dive into Telegram cryptocurrencies games because, well, I just fucking like it. So why not doing that? Why to try to do something, I don't know, which it's hard to do, like learn people some stuff which they don't give a fuck anyway, but playing the games, everybody like to play games, right? So, and thank you very much, by the way, for people who already joined to be my friends within the BOINKERS. So actually, I've been surprised, but I have like 4 friends already. So thank you very much for that, guys. I will definitely think about those people who support me in that way in the future when I will be massive channel. So I will definitely think about this, about you guys. So thank you very much one more time for that. I have 3 friends here as well. So that's crazy good, because obviously I will have a little bit more extra tokens or whatever within that game, and already some friends, some people add me on this program as well. While you're watching that video, I will already post the referral links to the my next games, or maybe in the next video I will post like 6. It's going to be 6 or 7 games already. I think it's 6. So yeah, definitely trying to get at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 games, or 4 games or 8 games, so I can actually play like genuinely like multitasking those games on one screen, so you can see everything. But like I said, another 3 projects, we are not able to play them on the desktop unless using the BlueStack, which I don't know is going to work, because in the same way, like I was trying to record the cursive course and I couldn't because the BlueStack doesn't work. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for now. Take care and bye.